Next up is the Krazy Buffet all-you-can-eat Oriental gourmet food. Apparently it's $13.99 all-you-can-eat buffet, so that's a pretty good budget for all-you-can-eat. $13.99 lunch special. Let's see what kind of food they got. And it's right next to EOS Fitness. You want to get workout? Get your workout in. They come eat. Wow. Oh, they got quite a few. 1, 2, 6, 7. Got quite a few. Start off here to the side here. Got some sushi, edamames, sushi. All kind of rolls here. Tiger rolls, California salmon, fish, California rolls. Fruit section. Got karaoke apparently. The fruits, cantaloupe, mango, oranges, bananas, mango jello pudding, ice cream. Oh, ice cream machine. Awesome. Alright. Let's go over here. They got some cheese mussels, some salt and pepper shrimp, baked salmon, grilled chicken, butter, sweet and sour sauce, sweet clams, baked crab meats, the condiments, cocktail sauce, hot oil, hot mustard, some shrimp, lemon, some crab salad. Oh, that's good actually. Ooh, that was good. There's squid there. Squid salad, kimchi, cucumber, and salad, lettuce. That looks delish. Of course, you got the garlic bread. This was the big crab meat there. It's all empty. Hi. We got sesame balls, fries, coconut chicken, meatball chicken, breaded shrimp, and some salmon. Let's go over here to the other hall here where it's not so busy. Fried bananas, cheese wontons, pork dumplings, got pizza, wontons, some soup, some wonton soup, egg drop soup, got a chow mein, fried rice, orange chicken, tofu vegetable, Mongolian pork, eggplant, seafood delight. Oh, that was good. Steamed bass. That, and then on this side they got some string beans, spicy chicken, chicken mushroom, beef and broccoli, the rice noodles, and regular rice. And on this side, they got the miso soup. Hot and sour soup. Vegetable rolls. We got pork buns. Teriyaki chicken. Oh, we got fried chicken. Chicken wings. Oh, yeah. Fried buns. Oh, excuse me. And for the desserts, they got a little bit of brownies here. Swirly things. Some other coconut stuff, strawberry stuff. I don't know what that is. Apple pie turnover, some cookies, and some crackers. So all that basically is what you get. Pretty cool. Go ahead and see what we get to eat here, out here. They got condiments too, as well. Got seating over here, all the way around as well. Of course, you gotta start with the seafood. So basically, I got some fried shrimp, cheese mussels. I'm taking out the cheese, the mussels, and then the clams, of course. Then come the sauces, hot oil, chili oil. I got me a little bit of miso soup. You know, the miso soup. You know, and my favorite kind of comes to the same thing. You got the clams, chow mein, the shrimp, and the teriyaki chicken. That's nothing different, guys. You got a different soup, like a hot and sour soup. All right, round one. Clams are really delicious, nice and juicy. I like that so far. Number one, really good. The mussels are really good. This one looks like without the cheese. I took the cheese off. Really good. Really good. You know how sometimes you get like mussels and it's really dry and stuff? Well, this is not really dry. I mean, obviously the cheese probably helps out. But it's really, really good, really juicy. So far, everything's been really, really good. Nice and juicy mussels. Round two, I got the crab salad, or imitation crab, the fried chicken, the grilled chicken, some kind of chicken on a stick, squid salad, looks really good, coconut chicken, and some type of wrap. It has like rice and some kind of texture. It's kind of weird looking thing. But it's in the sushi aisle. It has rice and fish eggs, and squid, wheat, something on it. And yeah, egg drop. They're all basically got the same thing. Some chow mein, fried rice, kimchi, and shrimp. Wow, just tried the squid salad. It's really soft, really flavorful, perfect spice, flavorful flavor, really tender too. Squid. You would think that'd be a hard and stuff since it's a buffet, but it's really not. We got came at a good time. Squid, really good. Nice and tender. Kimchi is really good. Look how big that is. Get big pieces, nice and juicy, crunchy, really flavorful, real authentic. You can really taste the kimchi in here. Delicious. Right. Oh wow, the chicken skewers. There's a really unique flavor to it. You don't think of like standard dry, but it's like real juicy, flavorful, all inside. Kind of like they smoked it a little bit. The way they cooked it, it's like a smoked chicken skewer. The way they grilled it, it's really good. All right, another option, coconut flavor chicken. Wow, you won't believe how flavorful it is, and juicy the chicken tender is. Really unique flavors, really great. It's really overwhelming with coconut, and just overall, so far, 5 out of 5 or 6 out of 7. Everything's just been so good so far. Different flavor to that. Skewer was a different flavor chicken. This coconut chicken is a different flavor chicken. I imagine this fried chicken and this meatball would be different too. Overall, I'm having a good time. It's really good. I can't really make. I'm just gonna eat, enjoy my food, and I'll show you guys my next plate. For my third plate, we got some course chow mein. Try out the fried rice. You know, you can try the basics. Cheese, wonton, egg roll, some string beans, seafood delight, like shrimp or whatever, seafood delight, crab imitation, baked salmon, and there's a baked bass here somewhere. Baked bass, 2 fishes. Of course, I gotta get some more clams. It's good. Some more squid, and I'll try out the pizza as well. And I got the hot and sour soup. To finish it off, we got these yellow cantaloupe, oranges, honeydew, and pineapple. And of course, you gotta finish off with an ice cream. Chocolate vanilla. So, total, as you see, 2 adults, $27. 2 drinks, the charge for the drinks, for the water, the tea. 2 of these, a total of $33.
With you, feels so true, feels so new.